So, buti na lang hindi kami binigyan ng ticket. My God, at ang tagal pa naman ni Tommy.
Do you know how many pounds this is? You feel how heavy it was?
Oh, no. You know what?
Get the sausage. I don't know if you get the sausage.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
You don't have to go outside.
Tommy told me, guys, something that it's really not nice. He want me suffered.
Good morning, Philippines!
Mag-edit ako ng video. Magre-ready lang ako. And, tingnan natin. May nakita akong tablecloth dito ba? Andito pala ako. Kita-kita lang tayo mamaya, guys. Kasi maginaw dito. Ginaw. Kita-kita tayo mamaya. Kasi I still have to bring this table downstairs. Itong table ko sa filming room. Ilagay ko sa basement. And then, pupunta tayo sa attic para maghanap tayo ng cave tablecloth. Nandun na sa baba yung table. So, tayo? Nag-snow konti this morning. Yan, magina.
I got my kid back. Wow, Kaylee, this is a fancy hotel. Must have cost a lot. Actually, I got a great deal. Priceline saves you up to 60% on your...
Escape the nightmare of your sticky pans. Introducing the Granite Rock Pan, the world's most durable non-stick pan known to man. No butter or oil needed. Watch, we melted down these sticky candies in Granite Rock and it just doesn't stick. We cooked a half dozen...
See this, guys? This is dog towel. That means dog shower. Come here, follow me. That's gonna go first. Let's go upstairs. Wala silang alam. They don't know what's gonna happen. Look who's coming first. That's the one that's gonna go shower first. You, let's go up. Okay. Ah, Proxy. Oh shit, hold on. Hi guys. Inano ako ng lalaki guys, yung parking kasi dito guys, yung parking bawal dito mag-parking kasi siya, fire hydrants. At saka si Tommy, dinadrop lang yung ina niya doon sa dialysis. Yung parking na police dito yung magbigay ng ticket. Inano ako. Bakit daw andito ako? Sabi ko yung asawa ko dinadrop lang niya yung ina niya doon. So, buti na lang hindi kami binigyan ng ticket. My God, at ang tagal pa naman ni Tommy. Wala akong alam kung bakit matagal. Tika muna, hanap tayo ng parking. Hindi din ako makapag-drive kasi wala din akong license. Wala akong dinala. Atakaw ni si Tami. The parking enforcer came to me.
Yeah, who did?
The parking enforcer.
Oh,
It takes forever for you.
Okay.
It's illegal here to park.
I'm not parked. As long as the driver, you're not parked, you're standing.
You just get what you need. Ang laki pala ng dito guys, oh. Ang laki ng nila, yung marami silang mga mga yaminets dito. Dami. Oh, this guys, ang laki guys. Tignan niyo yung presyo guys. Oh my god, it's so good over here. But colorful. What? That's not it?
No, it's regular black.
Ang ganda dito guys. Ang daming mga
This is a really good, this is a Chianti producer. This is what they call their Toscana. It's a blend of Cabernet, Sangiovese, Merlot, and it just goes with a lot of different foods. And it's a great price. Called Cito, and it's, you know, it's like table bread, so it's really versatile.
So what happens, it's hard to know around it.
guys, Tammy told me the car is no gas. So I'm gonna be driving, he's pushing. Are you going to push?
Not happening.
Can you push? Push! Push! It's right here.
I know, should I just go over there and then we stop and talk?
Are you gonna stop the gas first here?
Yeah.
Oh, kailangan namin ng gas guys kasi wala na talagang gas. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas na itutuklod mo lang. Itutuklod. You have to tuklod it guys. Kailangan mong ituklod. Pasko na sa Pilipinas. 25 na dun. Dito 24 pa. Pero nakikita niyo tong vlog guys, late na. Pasensya na guys na yung mga vlog ko late siya mga for few days. So yun. We are here.
You'll be vlogging, guys. We can.
Huh?
I said you'll be vlogging.
Yeah, I will be vlogging in Christmas. You think I'm allowed to vlog in Christmas?
Oh, you're not on the side fucking shit.
No, you are wrong again. Alala, okay.
You should tell me these things. You should say no. I'm not on that side.
Hey, what are you doing?
Wait for a receipt.
Look at the camera.
I gotta run inside for a second. I'll
What?
be right back.
Hello, baby. Hello. Humot man na, baby. Oh, you smell so good naman na, my babies. Oy. You guys, it smells so good. Did you look?
Wait till.
We ordered this, guys. Hala, looks so good. This is how much is this, huh? That's it, huh? 400 something?
120.
That's really small, huh?
Hun, you know how many pounds this is? You feel how heavy it was?
Yeah, but that it's only few chicken in there.
Hun, who cares?
Let me say properly.
That would feed 15 people.
Smells so good, guys. Hi, baby. Hello, you still don't eat your dindin. You didn't. You didn't. You guys smell so perfectly. Perfectly, smelly. Perfectly. I showered them, guys. They're so good now. They smell so good. Come to mama. Kisses to mama. Kisses. Come and match. You smell. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Alam nyo guys, paminsan talaga, nakakairita talaga to si Tami. Pagkarating namin ngayon, mag-ano na naman siya, mag-grill. Alin, ang daming pagkain na ano namin bukas. Pero, yung isip niya, kulang pa. So, nagluluto pa siya, sausage. Ang dami guys, may ano pa, prime rib pa. At saka may mga niluluto pa yung iba. So, yun, ang gagawin ko na lang guys is, I'm going to make the table longer, okay? And I will add that over here in the middle. Open this up.
Okay, you got one leaf in, you gotta take one of these out and add this.
Oh, that's what it is?
Right. I'm gonna double this.
Outside with this double? How many people is coming? How many people is coming?
gotta figure out that. So we're gonna add more meat. You have even.
Oh, no. You know what?
Get the sausage. I'll get the meat. You get the sausage.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
You don't have to go outside. Go to the beef and give me sausage. I'll get the meat. Go get the meat.
So your sausage is already there.
We got this. Here. Alright.
Only one. That's what you said.
Exactly. No, of course they don't. You want this date to end.
Last one?
Yeah, I don't see anything over there. This is the last one. And even that one, that's the last one. It's just basic.
I don't play favors.
I don't know what you do with this.
You ever heard the phrase?
Wait, what did I do? Seriously?
One more.
No, this is it.
No, there's one more.
I don't know where that one, but
And
that's
double and another six.
whatever.
Make your way.
You can push that one up.
Within a certain.
Pull it.
Push.
The last thing I will do is go to a place where everybody hates me. Bring it back.
Make you focus. Whatever you Brian it is what you need. So, if you count. Inspire us. Remember, the pen is mightier than the sword. Sign. Here, right there.
So ngayon si Tami nag-grill siya 'di ba ng sausage. Ang ano niya is kinat ko siya in half kasi nagluluto siya ng sausage for I don't know reason. Walang rason. Dami yung pagkain para bukas. So yun, nagluluto siya ng sausage, kinat ko ng half. At sabi ko sa kanya, lutuin natin yan ng maraming garlic. Pagkatapos na niyang nilagay sa grill, nag-cut ako ng maraming garlic, oh. Hindi ko alam talaga guys kung bakit may square itong ano ko. Camera ko. Parang may settings ako na ano. Dito eh. Kwe. Maraming kwe. Are you good? Are you good?
Nope. So we have to return a little bit?
Yeah, can you? I'm filming you. I hold it. His sausage, guys. His favorite. A lot of garlic, right?
Yeah.
He likes garlic, guys.
Invited us to come over for a drink tomorrow. I said, that's funny, I was going to tell you the same thing, and then you told me you had a company coming over, so I said, let it go. I said, I got a company coming over too. So I prepared for it.
Oh, he has people coming tomorrow.
He said, why don't you stop having for a drink tomorrow?
No, but
Because they got a bunch of people coming over there.
yeah, but we have people here.
That's what I said. I said, well, we got a bunch of people coming over here too. I said, I was going to say the same thing to you, but then I figured out, you know, you told me you had people, because you go to the sisters tonight for Christmas Eve, and then everybody told me
Over
you had
here.
Did I bring my shoes in? No, right?
What shoes you wearing?
Boots.
No, you didn't. Maybe you have it in your car. Wash it for an hour.
That's on.
Not going with it. Yeah.
Scooch back. I tell you yes, you say, oh, be honest. Play hunt. They like all me liar. All the time.
Liar.
Hands on fire, yeah.
That's it, fire.
Hands on
No, you're
fire.
making up stories.
Did you ever watch Big Bang Theory?
I
do.
And you see what he told Penny? Oh, I'm surprised that you still have pants on. The fire department will be coming.
Guys, it's hurting me. Honey! Oh my god, it hurt. It hurt. It's hurting me.
Hanging over you.
Do you think, guys? You think he loved me? What do you think? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Leave me some comment here. Write it. Yeah. What do you think? Did he love me or he just bullshit me? We're on the run again, guys. This is never gonna end. The running over the places. All over the place. Tommy told me, guys, something that it's really not nice. He want me suffered. It's a tradition suffering. What did you say?
You said, I'm not doing poison ivy again this year. I said, why? By now it's like a tradition.
If you can't understand because his English is really slangy.
That's what it is.
That's what it is.
My English is really slangy.
Very slang. No. Remember when we got this house, I got poison ivy. Poison ivy.
Because
And I thought,
I know plants. I'm from the Philippines. There's
And-
no such thing as a poison ivy plant that gives you poison ivy. There's no such thing. I'll do it my way. I know plants.
whatever. And I thought a lot of mosquito bite me. I really thought because the beginning is like a red dot itchy.
They were invisible mosquitoes too.
Yeah, and I thought, oh my god, why there's a lot of mosquito? And then transfer again while I'm sleeping. I said, why there's in my butt? Oh my god, why mosquito keep biting me? Is there any mosquito inside the house? And it's scattered and blister and stuff. And I said, this is not.
Donner and Blitzen.
Yeah,
Comet and Cupid.
and it's not like really fun itching, guys. So I thought, okay, it's a freaking poison ivy. So now I believe the poison ivy is really dangerous. The next year, last year, it happened again.
Poison oak is worse.
Poison oak, I got poison oak. That's why I have a really
That's
dark
way,
spot.
That's way worse than poison ivy.
Yeah, I have a really dark spot. And it takes forever. Until now, I still have dark spot around. On my legs, on my stomach.
Poison sumac I've never seen, so I don't know.
And we have poison oak in front of our house. And I try to like play with it like that. Play with it. No, I don't touch anything. I wear gloves and then far. And I put it in the bag. I'm really far from the bag. I still get it.
What you don't realize is you put it with gloves and the oils are on the gloves. So if you take them off and those gloves touch your skin, you still get it. You gotta be very careful how to take off the clothing you're wearing. Your jeans, your shirt, your gloves, and you gotta throw them right to the wash. And wash them like 2 or 3 times to get the oils out of them. Or burn them.
Oh yeah, I burned it.
Well,
So,
if you burn them,
I
don't
promised
breathe-
myself-
Don't breathe in the fumes.
I'm not gonna do it next year. I'm not gonna do poison shit. I'm going to clean, but I'm not gonna touch them. I'm just going to spray. Anyway, we're going to pick Mom up, and tomorrow is Christmas. So later on, guys, I'm going to ready with the vegetables platter. I'm just gonna put that ready. Para to bukas, ano na lang, clean up the house, the floor. So yun. Tapos na kaming kumain, and ano pa ba yung ginagawa ko? Tapos na rin akong nag ano, guys, na cut ng mga vegetables para platter bukas yung snack, yung unang kainin nila. May mga ganun man sila dito eh. May una ka dapat kainin ito. Vegetables yan. Ba't ito ngumingit-ngit eh? Yung TV, ang ingay ng TV ngayon, guys. Pasensya na talaga. And napakita ko na ba sa inyo? Dito ilagay ang ano pa ba? Ito, i-ano ko siya, i-marinate ko siya, will i-rub lang naman siya. So, fast forward tayo, guys, ha, kasi pagkatapos nito, meron pa akong mga asikasuhin yung ano, You said, be careful.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 8 and 1 more. I think 9. Let's think. Me, you, Mom, Angelo, Amanda. Do some breaks.
What, which one is that?
Double stack.
This one?
Double layer one.
This one?
Yeah.
No, this is not for serving.
Yeah.
But hold this. This one maybe we can use.
Use it for the.
Do we have another Christmas plate? No? This is the old one of Mom, right? It's hers? The old one?
I think this is Isabel's.
Huh?
I think this was actually Isabel's. I'm not sure.
Really? Oh, this is the one that she gave you?
No.
Hi guys. What time is it? It's 10:54 na ng gabi. Nag-edit ako dito, nalubat yung cellphone ko ay Astami coffee. And then we're watching this Santa Claus. The Santa Claus, guys, you should watch it part 1, right? I wish so part 2. It's good, but the part 1 is very cute. And I'm very sleepy, tired. I'm gonna charge my phone and I'm going to end the vlog. We're gonna end the vlog. Yeah. We're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys. Merry Christmas! Late na guys ito ma-upload. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, guys.
See you in my next one. Bye-bye. Good night and bye-bye.
Hi.
Love you.
I look like Santa Claus.
You really do look like Santa Claus, and you are, hon. That's why people call you are the Santa Claus. Look at you.
You know, people used to call me that.
You look like a Santa Claus, and you act like one. He act like Santa Claus too. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you, guys. Bye.